choose.
Hi, I'm Michelle Adams. I am an acrobatics and yoga instructor, and I'm here with the Desire Company. When you're doing hand balancing, you need to breathe. Most people, when they feel things are getting hard, we stop breathing, and that makes it so much harder and our muscles fatigue way quicker. I highly suggest breathing in and out through the nose the entire time and just keeping a consistent breath, never breaking that breath. When you're going, even if you end up having to breathe out through your mouth, that's fine, but try to keep it even, in 5, out 5, whatever the case is, throughout your entire practice. And you're gonna feel a huge change and you're gonna feel relaxed. So when you go upside down, you can sit in positions easier because we're not stressed out and we're not moving too quickly, which allows us to balance better.